Imagine a vast multidimensional space, far grander than anything we can directly observe. A realm so expansive, it defies our current understanding of the cosmos. Now, picture our entire universe as a thin sheet, a delicate membrane floating effortlessly in this boundless expanse. This sheet, or brane, is just one of many, each drifting in this unimaginable space, like leaves on a cosmic pond. This, in essence, is the mind-bending premise of Braneworld Theory, a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. It proposes that our familiar four-dimensional universe, with its three spatial dimensions and one of time, is not unique. Instead, it is just one of many potential universes, each like a membrane or brane existing within a higher dimensional space known as the bulk. This bulk is a vast higher dimensional space that contains all these branes. This revolutionary idea challenges our fundamental understanding of the cosmos, suggesting that our universe is just a small part of a much larger, more complex reality. It implies that everything we know, from the largest galaxy to the smallest subatomic particle, is confined to this cosmic sheet, this brane. But what exists beyond our brain? What lies in the vast uncharted territories of the bulk? Could there be other universes, other branes with their own unique laws of physics and dimensions? What secrets lie hidden in the higher dimensions of the bulk? These questions push the boundaries of our scientific inquiry. These questions have captivated physicists and cosmologists alike, driving them to explore and understand the true nature of our universe and its place in the multiverse. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge aims to unravel the mysteries of this intriguing theory, potentially redefining our place in the cosmos. To grasp the essence of Braneworld Theory, we must first stretch our minds to envision a reality beyond our everyday perception. This theory challenges us to think outside the conventional three dimensions of space and one of time that we are accustomed to. It invites us to imagine a universe far more complex and layered. Imagine a tightrope walker moving along a rope. This tightrope walker is confined to a single dimension of movement. The tightrope represents their entire universe, a two-dimensional world. They can only perceive and interact with what lies directly on the rope. They can move forward and backward along the rope, but movement up and down, off the rope, is impossible. Their reality is limited to the dimensions of the rope itself. Now picture a tiny ant crawling on a flat sheet of paper. This ant's universe is a two-dimensional plane, much like the tightrope walker's rope. This sheet is their universe, a two-dimensional plane. The ant can explore its world by moving in various directions on the flat surface. They can move left, right, forward, and backward, but are unaware of the up and down dimension. Their perception is confined to the plane they inhabit. Braneworld Theory suggests that we, like the ant on the paper, are confined to our four-dimensional brain, unaware of the potential for movement and even entire universes existing in the higher dimensions of the bulk. This theory opens up a realm of possibilities, hinting at the existence of parallel worlds and unseen dimensions that could fundamentally change our understanding of the cosmos. Within this framework, our universe is just one of many possible branes, each potentially harboring its own unique set of physical laws and constants. Some branes might be desolate and empty, while others could be teeming with exotic forms of matter and energy beyond our wildest imaginings. Think of these branes as pages in a cosmic book, each page a different universe with its own story to tell. The bulk, then, is the book itself, containing a potentially infinite number of these universes. And just as turning a page can bring us to a new chapter in a book, some theories suggest that interactions between branes could be responsible for major cosmic events, such as the Big Bang itself. Section 4. Gravity's leaky grip, evidence, and implications. One of the most intriguing aspects of Braneworld Theory is its potential to explain one of the most perplexing mysteries in modern physics, the weakness of gravity compared to the other fundamental forces. While electromagnetism, the strong force, and the weak force are all incredibly powerful at the atomic scale, gravity is remarkably feeble. Braneworld Theory offers a compelling explanation. Gravity might be the only force that can leak out of our brain and into the higher dimensions of the bulk. This leakage would dilute its strength in our universe, explaining why it appears so much weaker than the other forces, which remain confined to our brain. Section 5. Beyond the Horizon, a universe of possibilities. The Braneworld Theory is still in its infancy, a collection of mathematical models and thought experiments, still being explored and debated by scientists around the world, rather than a fully fledged theory. Yet the implications are profound. If proven true, it would revolutionize our understanding of the universe, potentially altering the very fabric of our reality, and our place within it. We would no longer be the center of creation, but rather inhabitants of one island universe among countless others, each with its own unique properties and mysteries, in the vast expanse of the bulk. This shift in perspective could have profound philosophical and scientific consequences, opening up new avenues of inquiry and prompting us to ask new questions about the nature of existence, and challenging us to reevaluate our place in the grand scheme of things. The universe, it seems, always has more wonders in store for us, more secrets waiting to be uncovered, more horizons to be explored, waiting to be discovered beyond the horizon of our current understanding. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and exploration, who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future.